Hi guys, so here's how to make a themed party birthday invitation card. So we're going to search for invitation card and choose the size that we want. You can either make it as landscape or portrait. So for the course of this, we'll be making it as landscape. So let's create a blank card and see how it goes. So when we say themed party, we mean choose a character that you would like to design your cards with. Example, we can go with Disney princesses, Sophia the First, Elena of Avalor, Snow White. We can choose maybe a ballerina themed party. It can be a swimming party, a basketball party, whatever it is that you want it to be like. Mind you, we're not using templates, so you have no business doing this. Just kindly scroll it down and then we are good to go. So the first thing you need to always bring is your images from your elements, or you upload it if you have anyone in your device. So let's go to elements. So for this, we'll be using Disney princess themed party. So let's search for princess. I don't know what princess I'll find here, but I'm going to use anyone I see. I'm going to use this particular princess image I've seen, and then now mind you, is an invitation, right? So I'm going to keep this here. Now I can flip it. I'm going to scroll, then this is a flip. I can flip, but no, I want to flip like so to look this way. Good. So if I don't want the color, I can as well come here and change the color to a vivid pink color. Just play around it. If I want it to be a purple, I can change it to purple. So now let's use this neon pink color. So this is it. Yep. Now let's say I'm going to use the name Tara. So let's say Tara is 6. So let's say Tara's. Now Tara is the main name here, so we have to change the font. So we can choose another calligraphic font that suits what we are trying to design. So let's go to handwriting and find any other beautiful font for Tara. Find the deco font. Let's see how it's going to go. Okay, so I'm going to use this deco font. Let me try this Ellen font and see as well. I don't really like that, but let me stick to this one, the deco font. So let's use this. Now let me write, you're invited to you're specially invited to Tara's. Let's say Tara's having a costume party. Now let's use the word royal costume party. Now, royal costume needs to have a different font because it's something else that we're trying to point out there. Yes, so let's see. Now let's choose a different font and let's say something bold. Nope, I don't like this font as well. I'm still going to choose another font. Now let me leave the handwriting and choose a regular normal font. Good. So you can see if you're sending this out to any of your friends' parents, they can see that they need to get a royal costume for their kids. So increase Tara's font because that's the major thing here. Then take this up a little. Now let me add a text box to this. I'm going to tap on the text and then I'll go to effects and then I'm going to add a text box to this. Yeah, let me give it that yellow color. You're specially invited to Tara's royal costume. Now let me write party using the same font. Remember, we've choose 2 fonts already. Yep, so I can now reduce this a little bit. I can either keep it here. You're specially invited to Tara's costume party. So what else do you want to be on this place? Now let's assume we want to place a cake on it. We can add a cake. Let's search for cake. I always advise you add a real photo of the cake so that it can also look very realistic. So let's add this half cake. Okay, I didn't include that it's a birthday party. Let me indicate it here. Birthday party. Okay. So I put the cake there, and I can simply go ahead to write the kind of costumes. I can go ahead and write dress like your favorite princess and prince. And I'll write in the brackets reality character. Now this is the note I'm adding so that you understand what the costume party is like. Sometimes you want to dress like favorite princess or prince royalty character. So you can see this, right? Okay, then I can now add a time and location. Now I'm going to search for time icon. So I can use this. So I can put the time here. Let me bring my date icon. So this is my date icon I've selected, and then I'm going to reduce the size so it fits what I've already added before. And the one last thing is my location icon. I'm going to add location icon. So maybe let me take this note up so I can put my date, time, location at the bottom of my card. Then I can also add my mommy's phone number so that they can reach out to them when there's need to. So also search for call icon. So this is the call icon I got. I'll reduce it. Yes, and we are good to go. You can choose to let's add a rectangle to where all of those information is. Add the rectangle shape. Now let's add the corners so that it can be a little bit curved. Now go to layers. My rectangle is selected, and I'm going to scroll and go to layers, and I'm going to drag it to the back of the cake. Yes, because it was covering the cake and I don't want it to be covering the cake. So now I can change my icons to white color. Tap on the icon, you scroll to where you're going to see color, change it to white. Do the same thing for all your icons, and then you can add your text, and your design is done. So tell me, would you let your parents spend a lot of money making invitation card when next they have something to do? So you're finding it difficult adding these icons or anything, you can just go ahead to just type your text without adding icons, or ensure that they are properly arranged. That's it. Let me get to add my text. Let's say 09. Sorry, for you to do this part effectively, you also have to zoom in. So let's do it this way. Now duplicate this text so you can get the same size. And let's write the field back PH. So let's assume this is our address. So if that's our address, this is the phone number we can call. And then this is the date of the birthday party. Let me duplicate these two for the dates. Let's say 29th August 2026. Now my text is not centralized. I'm going to select the text and come to format, and I'm going to see this here, so I can now align it to the left. Yes. And let me reduce this as well again, then I'll duplicate this again. So the party time is 12 p.m. prompt. So this is basically all you need to do your next birthday invitation card. Yeah, so one more thing. Now for your rectangle, when you select it, you can go ahead to add effects. Maybe you can add a draw shadow so it looks more effective. You can come back to elements and search for background effects to make your design look more beautiful. Please, at this point, you just need to use from graphics. So let's select these. These are just simply adding textures to your design. So you're adding this as the texture of your design, and ta-da, your birthday invite is done. So tell me if you'd like to attend your friend's party when you see this.